Hi, I'm Allison Kokal, and I am an REU student at the Boyce-Thompson Institute in Cornell University through the Center for Research on Programmable Plant Systems. Part of my project this summer has been doing cross-pollinations with tomato plants. Today, I will be showing you how to do the process of the REU. So the first thing you're going to do is to find your plant that you want to get pollen out. What we want to see is flowers that are nice and open like this, so the pollen will come out. So what you're going to do is you're going to take your collection tube, an electric toothbrush. You're going to put the tube underneath the flower here, and then take your toothbrush, put it on the back of your flower, and turn it on. Pollen should squirt out, but sometimes it might take a bit, or you need to do multiple flowers to get enough pollen you need. So you can see you have a little bit of pollen in there. If you're doing multiple crosses, you want to make sure you have enough pollen. This is just enough to show you right here. So after you get your pollen, you are going to get it. Since we use your pollen to your plant, that you're going to be doing, sure, you're going to be pollinating. So first thing we're going to do is select the flower you want to use. You want to get a flower that hasn't quite budded yet, like this one here. You want it closed so that there's no chance it's been pollinated by a different plant. So once you've selected your flower, and take care of tweezers and take off all but one or two of the sepals around the bud. Then you're going to gently put your tweezers in, making sure you're not too close together so you don't hit the stamen, and then gently pull up. As you can see, our stamen has been exposed, so now we can pollinate it. So we're going to take your collection tube, pat it down a little so that the pollen is in the cap. Open it up, and pack the stamen into their pollen. You can see here, there's now a little bit of pollen on that stamen. You will want to label your crosses so you know what two plants you cross together and what is a cross fruit and what is just a normal fruit. Typically, I put the name of the parent that I got the pollen from on the bottom, and on the top is the parent plant that was pollinated. This is a cross that I did a few weeks ago. As you can see, the pollination worked, and I now have a tomato fruit that will be ready to harvest, and I can take the seeds to plant and get plants that have the genotype for my two parents. So that's how to do a cross. It is very easy, simple. You can do it at home yourself, and once you're done, you'll have a tomato plant. Thank you for watching.